Here you can see in the code we include the stepper.h library. So I'm going to just take you to the Arduino website, and here you can see the stepper functions. There are three functions that the stepper motor library gives us. The first being stepper. Here you can see it expects at least either 3 parameters or 5 parameters. In the code that we're using, we need the 5 parameters. So we need steps, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3 and pin 4. The stepper.h also includes one for set speed. In this, it's basically looking for how many revolutions per minute you want. So set speed, RPM. So you must put something in here. The final function is step. In this, the parameter it's expecting is here, step, how many steps you want the stepper motor to move. So depending on your motor will depend on how many steps it takes to complete a full revolution. In my code you can see here I have a constant int. Steps per revolution equals 2048. You can see down here stepper, so I've set the steps per revolution, which is 2048, and I'm saying it's connected to pins 4, 6, 5 and 7. Here in the code I'm setting up 3 int variables for speed. So speed A is 5, and then I have a int variable, step A is going to be minus 1500 turns anti-clockwise, and int step B 1500 clockwise steps. And that is basically all we do within the stepper.h file and functions within the Arduino code. In this code, in the void setup, I have 4 functions. I have 2 doors that open and close. So I have a void door 1 open and I have a void door 1 close function, and the same for door 2 open and close. They are very similar, so I will explain the door opening and I think you can work out how the close functions work. So we start off with my stepper.setSpeed, speed A, which was set up earlier. We then move to the next line, which tells the stepper motor how many steps I want it to move. In this case it was the variable step B. The next 4 lines of code is basically once it's finished moving the correct number of steps, it turns off the stepper motor. This saves the stepper motor overheating. I then move into a delay, which in this case is 60 seconds. After the 60 seconds, it will move down to the void loop. So here you can see in the void loop, we call door 1 open, which I've just explained, and then we call door 1 closed. Once the door 1 closed has happened, there's a delay of 20 seconds before it moves down to the next line, door 2 open. It'll run through that code and then it'll come down to door 2 closed. And that is all of the code required for this animation of my warehouse doors.